So I took care of some business. Well, business took care of me. It was my demolished wheel. I don't think I can revive it like we spoke about, but we're gonna buy a new one. So this is with it off. If you can take a look here, I actually already installed the new strut. Well, it's actually a used strut, but still, original strut. I did a lot of the wiring. I removed a couple of the arms. We still have an arm right here. My arm! A bushing that I have to remove so I can add a new one. And believe it or not, I did put a new windshield wiper tank for the time being. So we're having a little bit of progress, and hopefully by the end of this video we can make it look a little bit more presentable to the ladies. So I got a new windshield wiper tank. Well, a used windshield wiper tank. This is what they cut off when I got the used one. I still have the original one good, but you can see the ends are broken off inside. So this is gonna be a nice, long, aggressive moment of me trying to pull out. Oh, yes. And that's the tip.
Just the tips?
Got him. Ah. Don't you love when everything clicks together? All right, everybody, safety first. I heard nothing. Safety first. I'm gonna finish replacing. I'm just gonna drag it out of this car like I'm pulling its guts out. We're gonna replace these roof curtain airbags. One of them, the safety retractor buckle got locked. I'll show you guys. First, here's my new roof curtain airbag from the dealer. Only cost me 2 arms and half of my legs. This seatbelt goes in here as so, and during a collision it will lock up, and so you won't be able to move it anymore. So you can get either a new seatbelt retractor assembly complete, or you can get this one fixed and put back in, and that's what we did. We got it fixed. We're gonna put it back in. Everything should be going well. I can put this back in, put the door panel in, and then if you look over there, yeah, this is. You can see the roof curtain airbag that's deployed. We're gonna have to remove the whole headliner. Drop it down just to replace it. Good news, I finally got the airbag. So we're gonna show you the finished product of the entire interior. Pretty much, the interior will be 100% complete today. The whole rear seat. You know what? I can actually date this. Take it to its first prom. Maybe some dinner. Alright guys, you guys all ask me, actually nobody's asked me anything, but I'm gonna tell you, since you're watching, how to take off this side bolster. All you need is literally elbow grease. So pull upwards until you feel the hook unlatch like that. Pull upwards. The second part is stick your fingers in the crevice as so. No! See, I infiltrated the no-no square, or the no-no crevice. I'm gonna have to get permission. Give me 1 second.
Hey, hey, you finna die, baby. Like a chicken and biscuit.
Okay. Oh. Well, the car died, so it doesn't have any choice anymore. I'm just gonna put a jump on it and allow my permission of these sticky fingers to enter through and pull out that bolster. Let's do that. Okay. now that we have the vehicle's permission to remove excess parts, again, stick your fingers in, don't be afraid, with a little bit of force, and there you have it. I took a short break just to have an excuse to give you guys another tip. Always have a nice clean foundation to put all your items, because you don't know if they're gonna get dirty, messed up, they're gonna scratch the interior. But I also wanted to do this to give you guys another little sneak peek / short surprise. It's gonna be also a interesting surprise, but maybe a sad one, because I didn't tell you guys earlier. If we turn my camera around, let's take a look at my white M4. But what I didn't tell you guys is I actually ended up buying another one a couple weeks ago. As you can see, this silver one. Now if we pan around, the silver one is also a beautiful car. But I bought it with a little more damage than the white one. And I already kind of took apart the whole front end, but this is where I'm at.
No! God, please, no!
Believe it or not, I'm almost there. It does have a little bit of frame damage here. Obviously, we're gonna get that taken care of at the body shop. I removed the whole front clip. I ordered all new parts. I should be getting this one up and running soon. But the best part is, maybe if I'm missing a part here, I can put it over there. Actually, never do that, guys. That's just called Mickey Mouse. I bought it for one reason. Because I knew I was gonna flex really hard with this white one. But you guys would have thought, oh, that gets old, flexing with one car. So then I bought this one, so I can double flex on you. But I didn't stop there. Remember this guy? It's completed from my first videos, my 4 Series Grand Coupe. But I didn't stop there. Look at my beautiful, brand new 440i. Beautiful in M Sport. But I wouldn't stop there. Wait, not that one, don't worry about that.
What is that?
And then, one of my true beauties. The one thing that started this all from the beginning. My E90 supercharged M3, 700 horsepower. This thing has only gotten me tickets, trouble, loss of money, headaches, and that's why I love it so much. I mean, just look at that rear wheel. Beautiful stance. I mean, let's take a look at the back, because you know, everything looks better from the back. On this vehicle, at least. What the? Yeah. Oh, and then I bought one just so that I don't have to drive any of these cars, because you know, they're only good to look at, they're not good to drive. So I bought this Nissan Altima a while ago. So this is my A to B car, so everybody thinks I'm broke, and that's how I want to keep it, broke. Anyways, 2 clips here to remove this piece so that I can actually finally get access to the headliner, and then I'll show you guys the other pieces we removed. I hear my grandpa saying I love you in the background. That's how you get the ladies. Just be straightforward. I've learned from the best.
I love you.
I love you too. Yeah, I love you.
I know.
Oh. Oh. Thank you. He's gonna give you a kiss. I gotta catch this. Thank you.
Oh, give me that back.
Alright, anyways. All you gotta do is slide it up and pull. Pull until the 2 clips come out, and then slide it back up, away! You guys all ask me, how do I get into really tight or angled places? And this is a tool that's, well, saved me a ton of time, money, and stress. So look, I have a straight bit on the drill like anybody else knows how to use, but there's a screw right here. You can see the angle I have to go at. I can't reach this screw. This angle bit, I can just stick it in, that's so, put this bit back in there, and look, it's angled. Now I can actually stick it in there.
Why are you gay?
And I was able to reach what I needed with this angle bit. And the reason why I'm telling you guys about this is because we have a deal for you. If I will get 30,000 views this video, I promise and I swear out of all my honesty that I will purchase one of these angle bits and I will ship it out to whoever comments or gives us a shout out or anything. If I hit 30,000, I'm just gonna choose anybody, and just to show you that we're real, I'm gonna even put it in the comments that this person won, and I will directly message you guys and send this out to your house.
I love you.
It'll cost me probably like 15 bucks, my cost, but at least you'll get something straight from me. And it's not about the tool or the material possession that matters, it's where it comes from. And if it's coming from me, it's priceless. Time for the A pillar. Just pull, yank upwards, yank upwards. Alright, I've been assembling the headliner. You can see I got a lot of it in. Most of the mounting points put in. You can see obviously on that other side, I'm not done. But of course you can see the airbag has been 100% replaced. And everything sits good. I'm just gonna finish up and we're gonna show you how it looks in the end. Then I'm gonna put a new airbag here, put in the seatbelt latch, the seatbelt retractor here, and it should look like a perfect, beautiful interior. I forgot. Give me 2 seconds. I love myself. Who's that? That's man, looks like a fish. Let me go eat it.
What have I got?
I can't stand to look at this car. It's dirty. A very beautiful interior and a complete one as of now. So let's give her a little shine up, a clean up. She's hasn't had a shower in a while, and after we've taken care of so much business inside of this vehicle, we've got to clean it up. And there's only one way to do it, with these 2 bare towels I'm about to grab. All right, looks like I'm getting a majority of the dirt off the seat. I'm gonna do the whole car, and then we'll start putting some dressing on after. Don't look at my girl like that. That's it for today, guys.